Okay, you guys, so we are here to check this truck. Is a rake. You see this one there is this one behind. This is very good. So we got a truck. This is a center truck. This is a 380. This is a very powerful truck. So we have this one. So here we do the whole inspection for this truck. So as you can see, so we have the rake on behind here. See. So this one is going to Somalia. It's very good. So we did the whole inspection. The client, as you can see, is a very big one. So I'll tell you what we do. We have the brand new one. We have the refurbished one. So if you want to place your order with us, we take it like this. At this step, you see, we take it at this step, and then we work on that. We refurbish one. We refurbish it, and we put the paint on it. We check the engine. And this one, we have the price for this one, and we have the price for the brand new one. If you want the brand new one, we can quote you the price. If you want to use one or the refurbished one, we can quote you the price. Yeah. So guys, you can see here, this is a fully refurbished one. Fully refurbished. Okay? We take it like this, and we work on the engine. We make it perfect, and then the end result is beautiful. So you can see here. They are working on it. So this is for some of our clients. So see that? Alright. So this one is done. This one is okay. So this one is done. This one is okay. So we are loading this one right now. Okay, I think we are good. So we are good. Everything is okay this time. Yeah, everything is good. So this radiator, what? It's also good. It's not that brand new, but we can take it for a while. Yeah. So okay. So I think I'm going to talk to them now. Everything is okay from here. I think this is good. 它这个配件都有了是吧？
就全都有，全都配齐了，
全部都有。
哎，咱们上次都检查过了，全部都有。
OK。
哎，全部都配齐了。
OK， 行，你给我看你一个吧。
对，
这个都有是吧？
对，这个都有，
这个都有了，这个都有。
对，这不是钻杆吗？就是这个，哎，就这个。
OK，
就是这个，哎。
One， 然后
你在车上，哎，在车上。
Three， 然后这个
水龙头有。
是在哪里那个？
那个水龙头呢？黄色那个。之前你记得吧？那天下雨咱们那边拍的那个，放到库里了，放到库房里了都。
哎。How about this one？
我看不清。
这个都是细的吧？
那个都有，那个在我店里，一会儿拿过来。那个都有。
OK，
你放心就行。
行。How about this one？ 这个东西。
这些东西就这些东西。
Easier。
哎，
This one?
这些，那个，就都是这个。
Okay.
啊
So, okay. So is this one, this one?
哎
and the-，
那个也是，那个箱子坏了，那个也是，你上去就行。哎，这个也是。
哦，这个，哦，this one.
啊，新的，都是新的，
Okay, new one.
在这里。
This one. Voilà. Okay, so this one. 然后这些土呢？这些土呢？
这些都有，
都有了。
哎，都有，这些都有。
Okay.
你记得那天咱们从那拍的那些东西吗？就这些东西。
都有。
哎，都全部都有了。这些配料咱都已经给它配齐了。
配齐了，
都配齐了。
有的放到仓库怕冷。
哎，有的怕淋。
I think we are good.
嗯。
你录好了。
OK.
Okay. I think we are good. Yeah. Yes, we are good because last time I came here, I saw them. I saw some here, and let's say yes. Last time I did that. So what I did now, I just confirm with them because I still have the video of and then some of them they say the install it already. Yeah. It's only one. Yeah. They say this one is good. So, oh, this is the wrong one. It's not too close to that. Yeah. Okay. I think it's good. It's a little bit sticky now. Just a little bit. But I don't know if you can try to find something that can cover this spot in case it's raining, some water. Yeah, it's better. I think this way is better. Okay.
上游旅店那个。
Okay. Okay. So I will ask them to show me the documentation.
上游旅店那个。
Then we work on it. Tell me. Yeah. The pipe. Okay. Yeah, installed. Okay, 他说这些我有配件，你们是什么要装上面然后运走了？
装到上面，它这是有一些散货船，然后钻杆可以放到架子上，剩下的东西就是跟钻杆放，哎，
什么？
这
正常的话就是那个放在甲板上这种。
放在甲板上一般都是。
然后那配件
啊，这里可以放一些，这里可以放一些，哎，这里可以放一些，剩下的钻头什么的，就是跟着。